Some of the potential challenges that we thought of that could come in trying to implement this action plan is number one, the misinterpretation of CTE and or STEM programs among parents, teachers, administrators, and students. There's still, in some areas, in some situations, there's still some people who do not understand what CTE or STEM mean. They may not even know what the C, the T, and the E stand for, or when they hear about it, they think of it as just some other program that's just going to make things much more complicated for them. So that misunderstanding is probably one of the biggest challenges that we will face in implementing this plan. And really, the biggest thing to do is to help people see that many of these concepts of CTE and STEM are things that they already do. There's already parts of STEM in their curriculum, in how they present their classes. And so I think the biggest thing is just helping that misinterpretation be corrected and helping everyone understand what that means, what it entails, what the benefits are, and how this can help the students, the school, the teachers, and everyone be more successful. The second challenge we thought of was the reluctance to change your program to better implement CTE and STEM concepts. Like I mentioned before, many teachers may already have, they have everything figured out. They have what they want to do and what they've done for a long time, and it's worked. And they don't want to make changes. This can especially be true among agricultural teachers, where the kids who come into their class, they get the science credit and they think that's all they need. Why do I need to do more? They're already getting everything they need and moving forward. So there could be that reluctance to change. And change is difficult. It can be hard to do. But as they see how these concepts can help and how there may be many of these concepts already present, it could be a little bit easier to have that change take place. Another challenge could be the lack of immediate results. One of the problems sometimes maybe with STEM or CTE is they have wonderful benefits, but some of these benefits may not be seen immediately. They have more benefits over the long run, and which are better for the students. It helps them better in their futures and in what they're doing, but it is hard to justify and see results or be looking for results when they may not be immediately present. It may take some time to see that, and it may be for down the road in the student's life as well. But that's the overall goal, is to help prepare the students for their futures, and CTE and STEM do a great job in doing that. And then another challenge that we foresaw was the need for extensive resources at times. CTE and STEM are very project-based, and projects are very hands-on, and they're meant to be that way to help students have that experience and gain that knowledge and skills. But that can be expensive at times in trying to find the resources to make those projects possible. That can be a challenge as well. So those are some of the challenges that we thought of that could be met in trying to implement this action plan.